Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Google Maps app on your phone. This is the only reliable 3D experience. Once done, grant location and permissions so the app renders quickly. Search the address or landmark and tap the place pin. Next, switch to satellite view. That gives photographic tiles which the app uses to build 3D. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a strong cellular connection. Otherwise, tiles stream slowly and 3D won't load smoothly. Once you have satellite tiles, you make the scene 3D by tilting and rotating. You can use a 2-finger swipe upward to tilt the map toward the horizon, pinch to zoom in until buildings appear detailed. If a 3D button is present, tap it to stabilize perspective. Rotate with 2 fingers to view facades and align the view. Make sure to combine tilt and rotation slowly, so the app can load higher resolution building meshes and textures without stuttering or gaps. To finish, frame the shot by adjusting tilt and zoom until building geometry and shadows look correct. Save a screenshot if you need a static reference. If some structures are flat or missing, switch to Street View for ground-level context. Troubleshoot by clearing the app cache, restarting your device, and confirming Maps is updated. These steps resolve most rendering issues. If problems continue, toggle satellite off and on, then reapply tilt. Often that forces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.